Hey curl friends, it's Jazz and I'm back with another quick video for you. Today I'm going to be using the new line by Main Choice, their Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture collection. Before applying any product, I always like to finger detangle my hair and rinse thoroughly before I begin. So first up is their Ultra Moisturizing Shampoo that cleanses without stripping your hair. This is perfect for color treated hair and it's also color safe, which is a plus because I don't want to see my color going down the drain. This also restores and locks in longer lasting moisture. This entire line is infused with biotin, which helps reduce breakage and minimize shedding. This is perfect for someone who has trouble with losing a lot of shed hair on wash days. By continuing to use this product on a regular basis, this will definitely help out with that. Once I feel I've given my scalp a good scrub, I'm ready to rinse. I loved how my hair did not feel stripped or squeaky clean. Lets me know I did not lose any moisture. Next up is our rinse out or leave-in conditioner. This is a perfect 2-in-1 combo for anyone who always has to use 3, 4, 5 different products. This is perfect to have 2 in 1 bottle. I always like to detangle during my conditioning step, mainly because I want to make sure all the essential nutrients in these products are being coated through each strand. And while this video is sped up, please make sure you take your time during your detangling process in the shower. Don't rush through it because you don't want to cause any unnecessary damage. And speaking of damage, next up is our mask. I love a good deep treatment, and this stuff is thick. And that's always a good sign that you're going to get a good, nice, deep treatment. The most important step of any deep treatment is to make sure that you apply heat for at least 15 to 20 minutes. That's a very crucial step to make sure that you're getting all the benefits, all the nutrients, to make sure your hair is being strengthened, protected, and fully moisturized. Once you get all that rinsed out, you should immediately notice a difference in your hair. You've basically just set the base and the tone of your hairstyle, you've locked in that moisture, and you're ready to style your hair. So first up in our styling process, we're going to go back to our lovely 2-in-1 combo and use this as a leave-in. As a leave-in, this is going to ensure that our style is left soft and frizz-free. Now frizz can ruin any hairstyle, so that's going to be a #1 component of this hairstyle. So we always want that amazing definition. So last but not least, we're going to use our Pearly Braid Out Glaze. Now, not only will this give you great definition, but it'll also give you a flexible hold without the crunch. Nothing special about this twisting process. This will be the first time that I'm doing single twist without using a perm rod on the ends. Going into this, I was a little nervous about how my twist would hold without having something on the ends. But as you can see, I did pick the smaller size, so it's totally up to you. I did start to make them a little larger towards the front, as you can see here. But it's totally up to you. If you want smaller twists, depending on how much hair you have, you might want to use a larger twist just to cut down on time. My hair tends to be a little finer when wet, and you'll see on the right side of my hair where those twists appear to be a lot skinnier than the rest. But you'll see here on the next clip when my hair is fully dried, as my twists shrink up, that they get a little thicker, which will give me the definition that I'm looking for. The #1 rule in any hairstyle is to make sure that your hair is fully dry. So I'm going to apply a little bit of coconut oil, as you saw there, to my hands as I take these down. I just simply unwind the opposite way. Nothing too special to untwist these, but I will say please take your time. This video is sped up, I know, but this is the crucial part that can and possibly ruin any hairstyle. And I've only untwisted each twist 1 time at this point. I wanted to take a moment to let you see this insane definition. It's unreal. I was blown away. I don't think I've ever gotten definition like this with single twists. It's insane. This is one of the main reasons why you want to make sure that your hair is fully dry when you're taking your hair down, because you get the maximum benefits of all the definition, all the products you've applied. They're working for you in your favor when your hair is fully dry. So with separating, I try to separate my hair where it tries to separate naturally. I don't want to force or cause any unnecessary frizz. As you can see here, I'm doing the bare minimum when it comes to the separation because I'm just blown away by this definition and I don't want to ruin it. But you can continue to separate more than this. This is where you make the style your own. So as you can see, I haven't fluffed out my roots yet, but my hair, it's amazing. I'm in love with this style. Like, I can't stop saying amazing. I'm gonna say it again, this definition is insane. So I did achieve a little bit more volume when I fluffed out my roots, but I'm gonna stop there. So it's totally up to you how big you want your hair to be on day one. Me, myself, I'm gonna keep this amazing definition as long as I can and let it grow over time. Overall, I was completely blown away by this collection. The Mane Choice really outdid themselves this time with this collection. This is the collection that you want to have the entire line for your wash days, everything that you need. I have no frizz. My hair is soft and fluffy. The definition is ridiculous. And I completely left out that my hair smells amazing. I couldn't have asked for anything more from an entire collection. So I wanted to come back in and show you day 2 hair. I pineappled last night, took it out this morning, and I've been wearing my hair like this all day. I didn't have to retwist, and I still have amazing definition. Very happy with that. With any style, it always comes to an end towards the end of the week. Your hair is a little dry, but the Mane Choice has us covered with their collection still with these amazing 2 products, starting off with the restorative spray. You're gonna apply this to your hair while it's dry, fully saturate your hair, and then follow up with the sealing cream. These 2 products are gonna work together to replenish all that moisture you may have lost throughout the week and help you create an entirely new style without washing your hair, which is always a plus. With this, you can retwist your hair, you can maybe even achieve a wash and go, so I'm definitely looking forward to that towards the end of my style. If you want to get your hands on this amazing collection, head over to Walmart or themanechoice.com. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.